To speak English, you must learn opposite words. So, today I will share with you 90 opposite words. You will always need them. And knowing these words will improve your English a lot. Moreover, they will help you to speak English fluently. So, let's start today's class. Young, old, yesterday, tomorrow, yes, no, work, rest, winter, summer, wide, narrow, whole, part, victory, defeat, vertical, horizontal, valley, mountain, vacant, occupied, useless, useful, thin, thick, there, here, slim, fat, save, spend, satisfy, annoy, satisfaction, regret, same, different, safety, danger, safe, dangerous, sadness, happiness, sad, happy, private, public, present, past, presence, absence, off, on, odd, even, occupied, vacant, new, ancient, never, always, nephew, niece, negative, affirmative, near, distant, moon, sun, moderate, extreme, miss, heat, miss, catch, loud, quiet, loser, winner, lose, win, in front of, back, immigration, emigration, ill, healthy, ignore, notice, husband, wife, hungry, thirsty, humid, dry, harvest, plant, go, come, give, take, girl, boy, foreground, background, forbid, allow, for, against, follow, lead, floor, ceiling, flat, hilly, fix, break, empty, full, elementary, advanced, defend, attack, defense, attack, defeat, victory, deep, shallow, death, birth, dead, alive, day, night, compliment, insult, complicated, simple, comedy, drama, ceiling, floor, catch, miss, careless, careful, calm, excited, buy, sell, busy, lazy, bore, amuse, body, soul, attack, defend, asleep, awake, ask, answer, ascent, descent, artificial, natural, arrive, depart, arrival, departure, arrest, free, argue, agree, approximately, exactly, already, not yet, allow, forbid, above, below, about, exactly. I am finishing the video here today. Hope this class will help you a lot in learning English. The only easy way to learn English is to practice every day. It is not possible to speak English without practice. Like or comment if you like the video and share the video with your friends if you can. Stay well and keep learning English with me.